Yes, children, good morning. Today we are practicing two topics, modals and subject verb concord. Okay, I already taught you these two topics. Today we are going to have a revision test, revision exercise on these two topics. Okay, kindly get your rough notebooks. Quick, get the copies, keep the copies with you, and together we shall do all the exercises over here. Fine. Now, before we begin with whatever exercises I'm going to share with you, just a few things which are there for you to clearly recall what all things we did in our lecture, earlier session, what we did. See, I've written a few sentences. You dash come to school regularly. You dash come to school regularly. So it's a rule or a law which you have to follow. So in that case, the modal should be must. Something which has to be followed, a law or a rule that has to be followed. Then comes you dash start studying now. It's an advice being given to you. Okay. So in case of the advice, it is you should start studying now. Okay. Then the third one. You dash help the needy. Means it's a moral obligation that being a human being, it is expected that we have to help the needy. We should help the needy. Other than being an advice, it is also a moral obligation. So when someone is advising, then it could be should. But when it comes to a moral obligation which every human being is expected to do, then we would say ought. You ought to help the needy. Okay? Now, these were the three examples of modals. And now this next sentence, subject verb agreement, which we did. So those boys in that room dash being punished. So here in this, the subject is not room. Subject here is those boys. So those boys being plural. So here it would be have. Okay. So these are the rules which I already taught you. Now we are just discussing and doing the exercise. You do the exercise along with me, and then I'll tell you and I'll discuss all the answers with you, and then you correct the answers yourself. Okay? Now have a look at the exercise which I'm showing here. First, we shall begin with the modals. Okay. Choose the right modal verb. I shall be giving you the options. I'm showing you the options. Then you write the answer. Same way in the exam also you will be having MCQ. So choose the correct one. There are plenty of tomatoes in the fridge. The option are must not, need not, may not, should not. Write the correct answer. Must not, need not, may not, should not. Okay? Next. It's a hospital. You dash smoke. Must not, need not, may not, don't have to. Next, he had been working for more than 11 hours. He dash be tired after such hard work. Must be tired, need be tired, had better be tired, must not be tired. Next, he dash prefer to get some rest. May, should, must, had better. Next, I dash speak Arabic fluently when I was a child and we lived in Morocco. Could, might, can, must. Choose any one and write the answer in your notebook. Next. I had very little exposure to the language and forgot almost everything I knew as a child. Now I dash just say a few things in the language. May, can, must, need. Okay? Yes. Fifth sentence. The teacher said that we dash read this book for our own pleasure. Can, need not, must, should. See the sentence in continuation. The teacher said that we dash read this book for our pleasure as it is optional. So use the modal accordingly. We dash read this book for our own pleasure as it is optional. Okay. Then, but we dash read it if we don't want to. Could, need, need not, must not. But we dash read it if we don't want to. Yes. Next. Dash you stand on your head for more than a minute? May, need, must, can. Dash you stand on your head for more than a minute? Someone being expected to show his ability. What is used for the ability? Okay. No, I may not, need not, can't. Okay. Next, if you want to learn to speak English fluently, you dash work hard. If you want to learn to speak English fluently, you dash to work hard. Could, need, need not, must not. Now in the same statement, had the word to not been there, here this word to, then the answer easily you could have done, you should work hard. But here it's to. So what would be the verb with the to, modal with the to? You need to choose. Okay. Next, take an umbrella, it dash rain later. Need, should, must not, might. It shows the probability here. Need, should, must not, might. Next, you dash leave small objects lying around. Should not, need, need not, may not. Okay. Such objects dash be swallowed by the children. Must, need, may, must not. Okay. I hope you all are doing along with me. People dash walk on grass. Could not, need not, must not, may not. Next, drivers dash stop when the traffic lights are red. Could, must, may. See, this 11th sentence is a rule, a law to be followed. So you know very well what is to be done. Yes. Dash I ask a question? Yes, of course. May, must, should, will. Okay. 13th. You dash take your umbrella. It is not raining. And scrolling, just wait. Could not, need not, must not, may not. You dash take your umbrella. It is not raining. Could not, need not, must not, may not. Next. Dash you speak Italian? Can, need, should, may. No, I dash. Should not, must not, may not, cannot count. So done. You have done the exercises, the questions which I gave you. Now I am showing you the answers. Please check them. Check your answers. Sentence 1, need not. 2, must not. 3, must and may. 4th, could. 2nd blank, can. 5th statement, 1st blank, can. 2nd blank, need not. 6th, 1st blank, can, cannot. 7th, need. 8th, might. 9th, should not, may. 10th, must not. 11th, must. 12th, may. 13th, need not. 14th, can you speak Italian? No, I can't. Okay. So, you did these exercises on modals. Now, let's do a few more to continue with our practice. Ted's flight from Amsterdam took more than 11 hours. He dashed be exhausted after such a long flight. Options: can, had better, must. The book is optional. My professor said we could read it if we needed extra credit, but we dash read it if we don't want to. Don't have to, cannot, must not. Susan dash hear the speaker because the crowd was cheering. So, can't, might not, could not. The television is not working. It dash damaged during the move. Must, must have been, must be. Next, Kate, dash hold your breath for more than a minute. No, I can't. Can you? Might you? Are you able to? You dash be rich to be success, to be a success. Some of the most successful people I know haven't got a penny to their name. Shouldn't, don't have to, can't. I have redone this math problem at least 20 times, but my answer is wrong according to the answer key. The answer in the book, dash be wrong. Must, have to, wait. must, have to, should. Okay. You dash worry so much, it doesn't do you any good. Either you get the job or you don't. If you don't, just apply for another one. Eventually, you'll find work. So you dash worry so much. Don't have to, shouldn't, can't. You dash leave the table once you have finished your meal and politely excused yourself. It's in the past. Might, may, would. Jenny's engagement ring is enormous. It dash a fortune. Must have cost, must be costing. Next, 13th and 14th. Dash, we move into our living room. It's more comfortable in there and there's a beautiful view of our lake. Must, will, shall. If I had gone whitewater rafting with my friends, I dashed down. Would be floating, would float, would have float. Okay, I'm scrolling to make you read the complete statement. The options are would be floating, would float, would have float. So, if I had gone whitewater rafting with my friends, I dashed down the Colorado River right now. 15th. At first, my boss didn't want to hire Sam, but because I had previously worked with Sam, I told my boss that he dashed take another look at his resume and reconsider him for a position. Has to, ought to, must. The machine dash on by flipping this switch. Could be turning, can be turned, may turn. I can't stand these people. I dash get out of here. Had better, might, have got to. I'm going to take off for a while you get rid of them. Fine. 19th. You dash forget to pay the rent tomorrow. The landlord is very strict about paying on time. Must not, don't have to, couldn't. Do you always have to say the first thing that pops into your head? Dash you think once in a while before you speak. Cannot, can't, don't, can. Terry and Franz said they would come over right after work, so they dash be here by 6. Have to, should, can. Next, yesterday I dashed cram all day for my French final. I didn't get to sleep until after midnight. Must, should, had to. '23. We dash no longer suffer the injustice of oppression. Freedom shall be ours. Would, might, shall. If I had gone to the University of Miami, I dash participated. Could be, could have, could. Participated in their Spanish immersion program. Okay. Now the last one, 25th. The lamp dash be broken. Maybe the light bulb just turned out. Could not, must not, might not. Okay, so you did all these statements along with me. Now check out for your answers. Sentence 1, must. 2, don't have to. 3, couldn't. 4, must have been. 5th, can you. 6th, don't have to. 7th, must. 9th, shouldn't. 11th, may. 12th, must have cost. 13th, shall. 14th, would be floating. Some of the statements are missing because those modals, they are not there in your syllabus. 15th, ought to. 17th, can be turned. 18th, have got to. 19th, must not. 20th, can't. 21st, should. 22, had to. 23, shall. 24, could have. 25th, might not. Okay? So we had enough of practice. Now let's begin with subject-verb agreement. Okay? Now the same way, I'm showing you the options and you do along with me. My teacher is funny. Is funny. He dashed to tell jokes. Likes, like. Likes. Likes is the correct answer. Simultaneously, I am telling you the answers. I think his jokes dash funny. Is, are. The correct answer is are. And my friends, I think his jokes are funny, and my friends agrees, agree. The correct answer, agree. Most of the students in my class dash boys. Is, are. Correct answer, are. There dash not many girls in my school. Is, are. Are. Okay, if you remember the rule, here and there are never subjects for the statement. So here we are using are according to the subject girls, which is given later. Okay. So there are not many girls in my school who dash my age. Is, are. Are. Okay, the correct answer is are. It dash weird. Is, are. The correct answer is. My friend dash girlfriend. Has, have. Correct answer, has. My parents always dash me if I have a girlfriend. Asks, ask. Correct answer, ask. But my answer dash always no. Is, are. Correct answer, is. Fine. The next, everyone dash problems in life. Has, have. Answer, has. Countries also dash problems. Has, have. Answer, have. And so dash the world. Does, do. Does. Correct answer, does. One of the greatest problems dash the growing population. Is, are. Correct answer, is. The population in some countries is are. Correct answer is huge. Both India and China dash populations of over 1 billion people. Has, have. Answer is have. Both dash growing too. Is are. A few of my friends dash cars. Owns, own. Own. One of my friends dash rich. Is our. Is. Much of his money dash from his parents. Comes, come. Answer is comes. His parents dash 3 companies. Runs, run. Answer is run. That dash products. Sells or sell. Sell. I don't know what kind of products the companies dash with. Deals, deal. Deal. Answer is deal. Or who their customers dash is are. Answer is are. Okay. Next. A number of my friends dash riding bicycles. Loves, love. Answer is love. But neither my brother nor my sister dash a bicycle. Owns, own. Answer is owns. At 4 o'clock, neither my mother or father dash coming to pick me up. Is our. Answer is. The pair of shoes on the floor dash mine. Is mine. The shoes dash made in Italy. Was, were. The $300 I spent of them dash worth it. Was, were. Answer is was. Finding a job where you can learn new skills dash a lot of effort. Takes or take. Takes. I've been looking for 6 months. 6 months dash a long time. Is, are. Answer is. Not even one company that I applied to dash responded. Has responded. Now I'm straight away telling the answers. You have a look on the options. A lot of chicken dash eaten in America. Is. As a consequence, a lot of chickens dash raised on farms. Are. I know this because I study agriculture and economics. In fact, economics dash my favorite subject. Is. I think that it, along with agriculture, dash fascinating. Is. A photograph of 2 children dash on the desk. Sits. Outside there dash people and a cat on the street. Are. Sitting on the roof of a building dash a big crow. Is. How useful this website and many other free ones for studying English are. This website, which I think is better than some others, Dash was founded in 2011. Correct answer was. Okay. So, Subject verb agreement also revised well. Now you all are expected that in your test, I mean your exam, be very careful when you choose the correct option. Okay? So, study well, fare well in your exams and score good marks. Thank you, children.